Hello, and yet another different camera setup. This is my room in my friend's house, and so I'm using a different camera on this one, so I'm not sure, again, how the audio is going to sound. I'm using complete natural lighting, so I don't know how that's going to look on me as well. I look flawless in the monitor, so I'm liking it thus far. But we decided to check it out. I wanted to film a quick video on the Tarte Shape Tape. This is nothing new by any means. I got the little travel size, that's why it's so small. But I did try this out yesterday, and I have my thoughts on it. So I wanted to record a little video of it and give you my thoughts, but I wanted to demo it first. We're gonna go through the whole process. We're doing it a little bit in reverse, but that's okay. I'm going to read you what's going on with this product, and then we'll apply it, and then I'll talk about what I think about it, per usual. So let's go ahead and dive into what the claims are. On Ulta's website is $30. There are crap load of shades. I'll just say that. It says swipe on the hype with Tarte's best-selling Shape Tape Concealer. Details: benefits: full coverage formula for 16 hours of flawless wear. Smooths and brightens to make eyes appear lifted. Crease-proof formula won't cake or settle. Tape technology helps smooth and blur appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Applies easily with jumbo speed smoother. Not ready to commit? Shop travel size. That's what I got. Dermatologist tested. Key ingredients: shea butter helps retain skin's elasticity. Mango butter helps moisturize and condition. Licorice root brightens appearance of dark circles and color corrects. Yes, ma'am. Clinical results: we don't need that. 100% agree it doesn't crease. 100% agree skin looks and feels smoother. 100% agree under eye looks smoother. 100% agree it covers dark circles. 100% would recommend it to a friend. 97% agree it blurs and smooths appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Those are some pretty high claims. How to use: apply onto imperfections and blend. Conceal dark circles, trace onto under eye and blend. Instant eye lift. Use with Shape Tape Glow Wand. Use over Shape Tape moisturizer for added hydration. Use on eyelids as a shadow primer. Blah, 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 blah. Cool, we're just gonna go ahead and throw this on the skin, okay? So I got shade medium tan gold. And you're gonna see here in a second. This is not what the typical doe foot looks like. This is obviously a travel size. Are we gonna focus or are we gonna not focus? What's going on here? There we go. So there's the tip. I think it's a smaller version of the big one. We're gonna swatch it. I'm having trouble with this camera. This is the shade that I got. I think it's a little bit golden-y for me, but I made it work yesterday, so we're gonna make it work today. Let me grab my mirror. We're just gonna do two little dots right here. I'm gonna blend it with our Morphe G36 per usual. See, it's a little golden for me, but if I really work it in and smooth it out, it's okay, and it works out for me. Oh, good, I had an eye booger. That's just delicious. That's disgusting. God, I'm disgusting. I just love this brush. I was using the smaller one, and it just takes forever. This one is just so quick. I think I need just a little bit more. And I say that I like the bigger brush, but the smaller brush definitely worked better. It didn't blend it quite as far, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to press it right here under the eyes so we can cover those dark circles. All right, what do you guys think? Done. Oh, I'm shaking it. Done. Undone. It definitely, look, it definitely covers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spill the beans now while I'm blending the other side. And we're gonna do it on our imperfections, and we're just gonna blend everything together. So yeah, I'm in love with this. I can see why it is so hyped up. Honestly, it blends really nicely. You don't have to set it, which I never set my concealer, so that's a good thing for me. It looks really nice on the skin. It does get I wouldn't say this is a perfect 10 out of 10, but I really, really, really like it. I probably need to work on the shade match a little bit, although it blends nicely. I'm gonna do just a little bit more. I don't know if you can tell, but it does get a little bit, just a little bit cakey on the inner corner. This build up, if you want more coverage, it definitely builds up nicely. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. I am a fan of the Tarte Shape Tape. I mean, I don't think this is anything new. I don't think this is a huge secret. Like everybody has loved this for years and years and years and years, and I'm just now getting around to trying it. I would definitely try to work on the shade just a little bit, but I mean, it blends out. Like it looks pretty good, even with this shade. Like even with like the really golden undertone. So I might try to work on the shade a little bit, but this is definitely like, I would say like a 9 out of 10. That's what I would give it. It's a 9 out of 10. It's not like absolute perfection, just for my personal taste, because it does get like a little bit cakey on the inside and your corners. Like I like that. And now that I'm using more concealers and I use the Morphe 2, which is kind of my like standard, as you guys know by now, I'm sure, that one has a very thin consistency. Like this one definitely covers more, like definitely covers the dark circles and under eyes a lot better, especially if you layer it up with just a little bit more concealer. I feel like a lot of people use like a full triangle, so that's not an issue for them. But me, like I like to start slow and build it up so it doesn't look like crazy. But look at my under eyes, like they look great. So this is definitely like a 9 out of 10, but that I was saying that Morphe 2 is like a little bit thinner, so it doesn't cover quite as much, but it blends like a dream. Like you can't even see it at all. So those would be my two I don't even know what kind of word I'm trying to say, differentiators between this one and the Morphe 2. I don't even have it up here, otherwise I'd show you. But yeah, this is really, really, really good, and I dig it. So cool. We got to win. We got a high. I feel like this is like a high end, because this is $30. Well, the full one is. So I feel like this is our high end winner thus far. I really like this. So this would be somewhat mostly comparable to the Morphe 2. So this is kind of our high end option, right, if you will. So anyway, I'm going to be quiet. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. If you need any real estate help in the Denver metro area or in Colorado, I am your man. I can help you with apartment locating. I can help you with buying. I can help you with selling. All my contact information will be down below. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need my services. Thank you again so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one.